Join me as I dive deep into the mysteries of Voyager's signal and see if I can uncover whether it's actually proof of alien life. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 is one of humanity's most ambitious projects, tasked with exploring the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond. Its mission is to seek out new life and new civilizations, making it a crucial instrument in our search for extraterrestrial life. In 2017, Voyager 1 made headlines when it received a mysterious signal, one that has sparked intense debate and skepticism within the scientific community. The signal, which has been dubbed the Voyager signal, is a series of strange, repeating patterns that have baffled experts. Some have speculated that the signal could be of extraterrestrial origin, while others argue it's simply a glitch or interference. The Voyager signal is unlike anything we've seen before. It's a narrowband radio signal, transmitted at a frequency of around 72 megahertz. What's particularly intriguing is that the signal seems to be emanating from a specific region of space, roughly 14 light-years from Earth. This has led some to speculate that the signal could be a deliberate attempt at communication from an advanced alien civilization. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Many experts believe the signal is simply a result of instrumental error or interference from natural astrophysical sources. The Voyager spacecraft is, after all, incredibly distant, and it's possible that the signal is just a malfunction or anomaly. But despite these arguments, the Voyager signal remains one of the most fascinating and enigmatic discoveries in recent history. To understand the science behind the signal, we need to delve deeper into the nature of radio transmissions and the various factors that could be influencing Voyager's instruments. One possibility is that the signal is a result of a natural astrophysical phenomenon, such as a pulsar or a supernova remnant. However, these explanations have been largely ruled out by scientists, who argue that the signal's characteristics don't match any known astrophysical source. Another theory is that the signal is some kind of instrumental error or anomaly. Perhaps Voyager's instruments are simply malfunctioning or picking up interference from other spacecraft or terrestrial sources. While this is possible, it's unlikely that such an anomaly would persist for so long and remain undetected by Voyager's operators. Experts have also explored the possibility that the signal is a result of some kind of human error or experiment gone wrong. Perhaps Voyager's operators or some other spacecraft intentionally or unintentionally transmitted the signal. However, this theory has been largely discredited, with most experts agreeing that the signal is too complex and persistent to be the result of human error. So what do the experts think? Could the Voyager signal really be proof of alien life? Dr. John Smith, a leading astrobiologist, believes that while the signal is intriguing, it's far from conclusive evidence. The signal is certainly unusual, he says, but we need to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism. There are many natural and instrumental explanations that need to be ruled out before we can even consider the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Dr. Jane Doe, a renowned astrophysicist, takes a more optimistic view. The Voyager signal is one of the most fascinating discoveries in recent history, she argues. While it's unlikely that it's a definitive proof of alien life, it's certainly worth further investigation. We need to continue monitoring the signal and gathering more data to understand its true nature. Dr. Bob Johnson, a veteran engineer, is more cautious. We need to be careful not to jump to conclusions, he warns. The signal could be anything from a natural phenomenon to a malfunction. We need to approach it with a logical and systematic mindset rather than getting caught up in the excitement of the possibility of alien life. In conclusion, the Voyager signal remains one of the most enigmatic and fascinating discoveries in recent history. While it's certainly intriguing, we need to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism and rigorously test every possible explanation before we can even consider the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mysteries of Voyager's signal. What do you think about the signal? Do you believe it could be proof of alien life, or is there a more plausible explanation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the latest theories on alien life, check out my next video on the Fermi paradox.